DoorDash is taking a step into the future of delivery with the launch of a pilot program for drone delivery in the United States. The food delivery service has partnered with Wing, a drone company, to offer select customers in Christiansburg, Virginia, the option to have orders from a Wendy restaurant. Eligible order will be transported via Wing's drones. However, there is a caveat. In order to receive a drone delivery, the customer address must have clearing to allow for a safe landing spot for the drone. Robots are coming nicely alongside AI. Are you ready? The U.S. Department of Justice has escalated its battle against big tech companies by filing a major civil antitrust lawsuit against Apple. In an action joined by 16 states and district attorneys general, the government alleges that Apple has engaged in monopolistic practices through its iOS App Store policies and restriction on app developers. Specifically, the lawsuit claims Apple imposes contractual limitation and technological hurdles. Responding to the suit, Apple stated, "We believe this lawsuit is wrong on the facts and the law, and we will vigorously defend against it." Epic lost the first game, but let's see if Apple will win this game of Monopoly. Apple is reportedly exploring partnerships to bring advanced AI capabilities to iPhone. Sources say the company is in talks with Google about licensing its quite underwhelming Gemini AI model to introduce AI-powered features through iOS updates later this year. This will build on Google's existing role providing search from Apple's Safari's browser. However, Apple has also discussed utilizing OpenAI GPT language model as it faces pressure to integrate AI across its product amidst aggressive AI purchases by Microsoft, Google's, and others. Well, looks like Apple is not winning this game of AI for now. Meta is making good on its pledge to integrate its new Threads app with the decentralized Fediverse ecosystem. In an update announced by Mark Zuckerberg, the company has rolled out a beta feature that allows Threads users in eligible countries to opt in and share their posts across Mastodon and other ActivityPub servers. While Meta had been testing this cross-platform compatibility with limited icon since late 2022, the functionality is now more widely available. By enabling the Fediverse toggle, Threads users can have their profiles and posts discoverable and actionable by those on third-party federated services. Maybe Zuckerberg is finally embracing the idea of decentralization, or is it just a ploy to collect more data? And that's all for all the tech news this week. We'll meet again next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!